Hello everybody, today we're going to be going over TMA Coin Android application quick install. TMA Coin is a new cryptocurrency coin which uses multiple blockchains to store different transactions. Okay, let's get started. Go to your Chrome on your Android phone and type GitHub space TMA Post app. Hit search. When the first listing comes up, TMA Coin / TMA Post app. Go ahead and select that. And it's going to go to GitHub directory. Where we want to go is to the README file. So this is the README file. If you want to find out more about TMA Coin, select that link there, the blue link. And let's go down to view all of readme.md. Okay, there. Let's go down to the second number 2. There's the first one. Here's the second one. This has the link to download the app to your phone. It's going to be similar to what Google Play does. So let's go ahead and select it. And it's going to take you to a download button. And go ahead and select that download button right next to history. This is going to download it to your phone. Go to your file manager, download directory. So I've already got it here. Let's see where it is. Yes, file manager. And then my download directory, I should have TMA Coin. There it is. Go ahead and select it. And right now, it's going to go ahead and install. So go ahead and click install. It's now installed on your phone. Let's go ahead and open it. On the bottom right corner, select open. At this point, if you have a key.csv file, go ahead and select yes to import. Otherwise, select no. If it's a first time install, select no. Keys.csv is for people that already joined the TMA Coin network and they're just bringing their information over to the TMA Coin Android app. So I'm going to go ahead and select no. Again, select no. Go ahead and enter a passphrase. We call it passphrase, but it's a password in your confirm password, and then select submit. Okay, I'm going to hit submit. There it is. There's your new address. A quick important point: save this address and save your password or passphrase, preferably off the internet in which is known as cold storage, because no one can help you retrieve this information. All right, let's go to the main menu, and what we are going to go over is TMA posting and messaging. But before we can start anything, we need to get a coin balance. So in order to determine if you have a balance, go to the main menu, which is the upper right corner, just like you would in WhatsApp. Go to Tools, and then go to Get My Balance. Keep selecting that until you get a partial coin where it says 0 coins. So I'm going to put it on pause until I get that. It's usually probably from 2 to 15 minutes. You'll see there'll be a partial coin there, which is going to be less than 0, but that's okay. Once you have that balance, you can go ahead and create transactions, and we're going to go over the messaging and posting part. Okay, so we do have a balance. Let's go over to, again, Tools, Get My Balance, and we do have a partial balance. So now we can create a transaction. What we're going to be going over is the TMA posting and the TMA messaging. Messaging is just like a cellular text message, so let's go over that first. So I'm going to select messaging, then I'm going to select send secure message. All messages are encrypted. You have to know the person's address, and I do have a cache. So I'm going to go ahead. Okay, Tashi's, just ignore that for right now. Expire, this message does expire. You can select the time period from 10 minutes to 1 year. I'm going to select the default 1 year. And there's the subject, and then there's the body, which is more or less the message. And when you're done, go ahead and select send secure message. Again, you have to know the address, and I did have another address available, so just go ahead and put that in the recipient TMA address. So send secure message, and there it is, message was sent. If you want to see your messages, you would go here and go show messages, and of course we don't have any message because this is a clean installation. Okay, let's go over posting. Posting is just like any other posting on the internet. What we're going to do is create a post, and we're going to sell a PC or laptop. Okay, here I put the title of the post, I put the description, and I put keywords, and the keyword I'm going to put is pavilion. And all you do is just create post. Little note that you do want to put the monetary and what country, because it does go all over the world, and also shipping, be specific on that. And just hit create post. And there it is. You're done. If you want to search for this post, go to posting, go to find my post, and I think we need to just put in here pavilion. Yeah, let's do it here. And there it is. And like all the posts, you have the opportunity to add a comment and then rate the post. Alright, that's it. Thank you for your time. I'm going to put this on YouTube as TMA Coin Android application 0430 2020. Thank you very much, and bye.